Hey you guys, just wanted to do a quick video. My new printer. I think I got it pretty well adjusted, and hopefully we're gonna see something print. Um, Here it goes. Oh my God, it's printing. This is the first print um, that I've done with this. It took me about 4 to 5 hours to put it together, and then I'm still adjusting it. It's not perfect yet, but I've been playing with it for a couple days, and I'm just dying to see it print. I did change the firmware. I re-uploaded the firmware that came with it through Arduino. And if you just follow some of the videos online, it will help you a lot. And also make sure you go over the instruction manual and follow the steps the best you can. And basically I went over everything a couple times, and I watched some videos online, and it helped a lot. And I'm so happy to see the thing print. And the print, as you can see, this is an Anycubic Delta style printer. Got it off Amazon. And just look at that print right there. It's awesome. It looks amazing. These printers are really fantastic. Once they are set up and configured, the detail that you can get from them is just incredible. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little heads up on my printer. And I'll send a couple more videos up once we actually get something printed here. Alright, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.